Hello, welcome to Raj Joshi Spirituality and Science. Today I just got a device from the market. This is an audio recording device, and this is a physical hardware sitting in this device, and when I install it, the software which it operates on is installed on my PC, on my laptop, right? But to operate the software and the hardware, it also comes up with a user manual which tells you how to operate the software and the hardware both. Now imagine if this body we have got as a hardware, this mind we have got as a software, should there not be a user manual for this mind and the body, how to operate both? So I'm here to tell you, interestingly, there is a manual, and that manual is called Bhagavad Gita. So now imagine if you want to shape this body, right? Body is out of shape. Where do you go? If you want to make it fit for use or active, you go to a physical gym where you do exercise and everything. But interestingly, only 20% of the success what you get in life depends on how fit your body is. Rest of the 80% comes from this mind. So to make this body fit, you go to a physical gym. What about the 80% of the success which is remaining for this mind? Should there not be a mental gym too? So that mental gym should have similar exercises, like it should have programs, boot camps, everything what you do in a typical gym. So I am here to tell you that this book is the first mental gym on this planet. It gives you all those tools and techniques and procedures and exercises and programs which, if you adopt, you can shape your life, you can live your life very well. Namaste and welcome to this channel where we are going to explore the deep science of Bhagavad Gita, and we're exploring it from the angle of philosophy and psychology and connecting the dots between the ancient knowledge and the modern science together. We'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe to this channel, and we'll see you in the next one.